If your Insignia TV is not turning on, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues users face. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the most effective and accurate troubleshooting methods to get your Insignia TV working again. Step 1. Power Reset. The first and most important fix is a proper power reset. TVs can freeze due to software glitches, especially smart models. Start by unplugging your TV from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any residual electrical charge inside the unit. After that, plug the TV back into the wall and try turning it on. Step 2. Check the remote. If the TV still doesn't turn on, the issue could be the remote rather than the television. Remove the batteries from the remote and press the power button for about 20 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Then insert brand new batteries and try again. You should also try turning the TV on using the physical power button located on the TV. If it powers on with the button but not the remote may be faulty or need replacement. Step 3. Inspect the power source. Next, check the power outlet and cable. Plug another device, such as a phone charger or lamp, into the same outlet to confirm it's working. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, bypass it and plug the TV directly into the wall. Surge protectors can fail or limit power without obvious signs. Also, make sure the power cord is firmly connected to both the TV and the outlet. Step 4. Try a different outlet. Even if the outlet seems fine, it's still smart to test a different one. Electrical outlets can partially fail or have wiring issues that prevent consistent power delivery. Move the TV to another wall outlet in your home and try powering it on again. If it works in the new outlet, then the original outlet may need inspection or repair. Step 5. Check for a black screen. Sometimes the TV is actually turning on, but the screen appears black. If you see the power light but no image, try the flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a bright flashlight closely against the screen. If you can see faint images or movement, that usually means the backlight has failed. Backlight issues are hardware related and may require professional repair. If you hear sound but see no picture, this is also a strong sign of backlight failure. Step 6. Verify input source. If your screen is black but the TV is responsive, it could simply be on the wrong input. Press the input or source button on the remote and cycle through HDMI ports and other sources. Make sure the correct HDMI port is selected for your cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. A wrong input can make it seem like the TV is not working when it actually is. If none of these steps work and there is no power light at all, the issue may be internal hardware failure. Repairing internal parts requires opening the TV, which is not recommended unless you have technical experience. In most cases, professional service is the safest option.